Here's how to easily send emails to OneNote. Open the email you want to save straight from your inbox. I'm using a project update message, so I'm clicking it once to open the full message. If your message is only showing in the reading pane, open it in a separate window first so the button appears at the top of the email. Once the message is open, look at the top right corner of the email, just above the message body. You'll see either an apps icon, which is a small grid of squares, or a three-dot overflow menu. If your Outlook window is narrow, the icon collapses into that three-dot menu, so do not go hunting for a separate button. Click whichever one is there. The drop-down opens and shows your connected apps. Click OneNote. If your list is long, it might be under a More Apps option, but it is normally right in the main list. The first time you use it, it also asks for permission to connect OneNote to your mailbox, so accept that if it appears. The OneNote pane slides in on the right side of the screen. Now you're looking at two drop-downs in that pane. The top one is the notebook. Click it and choose the notebook where you want this email to land. I'm putting this message into my work notebook. If you have a lot of notebooks, the list scrolls, so keep going until you find the right one. The one beneath it is the section. Click that and pick the exact section inside that notebook. I'll use project updates. This is the step people rush, and then the email lands in whatever section was left over from last time. So take the second to confirm both drop-downs before moving on. Click Save. A small link appears in the pane that says Save to OneNote, and the email is now a page in OneNote. Now open OneNote in your browser or desktop app and go to the notebook and section you selected. The new page sits at the top of the page list with the email subject as the title. If the email had attachments, they come through as file icons inside that page, not as separate attachments in Outlook. And that page is a copy, not a link. If you delete the original email later, the OneNote page stays exactly as it is. If you want it in a different section after saving, right-click the Page tab in OneNote and choose Move or Copy, then pick the new section. One more thing, if you save another email and want it somewhere else, check the section drop-down first, because the pane remembers your last pick and will drop the next one there too. If this got your email into OneNote, give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this video to other people looking for the same thing.